Hi, most Amazon sellers track their sales every single day, and still many of them lose money. And in many cases, they don't even see where the money is leaking from. So, in today's video, I'll show you how I approach a real Power BI dashboard for a client. Now, the biggest mistake which I see is that beginner data analysts would start directly with charts. But the clients at the end of the day don't pay for the visuals, they pay for the answers they would get from those visuals. So, my first approach before touching a Power BI dashboard is that I clarify the business questions, such as which products actually matter and what's driving the performance over time. After defining these questions, I go ahead and face the issues which the raw data presents, because raw data, although is easily available, they are never usable as it is. For example, from one file the sales might be tracked but the costs and expenses are scattered across various files. So after dealing with these issues for raw data, next step which comes for me, which is also very important, is to create a proper data model, because having a good data model means it would make it easier for me to visualize the data as well as for the client to maintain the data in the long run. Now each table in this data model has their own role, such as the calendar will tell me the date and time for each transactions. The orders contain all the details, such as which products sold the most, which didn't sell well, and how much each product sold, along with different kinds of information as well. And product reference is also important, since this table will allow me to give proper context and also track how many products the client has sold. I follow a simple visual rule that one visual should answer a business question. If it doesn't belong in the dashboard. For example, this visual clearly states how much each product has sold, so the client can easily focus on making proper decisions with the help of this chart. The final outcome which the client would get is this dashboard, and which would help them understand what they need to scale and what they have to stop to maximize their profits. Now, this is just a simplified project. Client projects go much deeper, such as having different types of fee, for example, FBA fees, ads, which ads are performing better, which campaign is performing better, validation, making sure everything is properly validated and proper in a proper order, automation, where I will be creating a automated pipeline for the clients so that once they update the data they can get the dashboard updated automatically. Now if you are someone who would require my expertise in your reporting, you can approach me via the descriptions mentioned in the link down below.